I got another parcel from the US. This is another one from William. You may remember William from this video right here. This one is a Nintendo Switch Lite. Ta-da! Which I believe the screen stopped working, and William has tried to take it apart, or he has taken it apart. He's cleaned it. I think he said he had some lines on the screen, and then the screen has completely failed. And he did mention some little pots of screws and stuff. Oh, this is going to be fun. This is like a jigsaw. Okay. Well, there it is. We can just yeet that away. Okay, so the screen isn't in it. And, well, maybe this is the screen. It's like Christmas, isn't it? Yes, that is the screen. And that screen is broke. Right, well, it's going to need a new screen. Yeah, it's all cracked. So that isn't going to work. Luckily, I do have some spare parts. And these are left over from all the other Switch Lites that I've mutilated over the last few months. I mean, I don't know if that's going to be the only problem. It could be there's more wrong than just the screen. I mean, if I can replace the screen and get this working, I would feel happy with that. Because I feel bad that I couldn't repair the last Switch that he sent me. So the least I can do is fix this one up and send it back to him. I can't wait to find out what's in these. Oh wow, okay. Motherboard. Okay, this is, yeah, he's done a good job here. These are all nicely portioned out. Well, let's have a look inside here first. Let's have a look at the board. Let's see what we're dealing with. Nice. I don't think I mentioned the reason he took it apart in the first place. I think he said it had water damage. So he took it apart to clean it. Let's see if we got any voltage in this battery. 2.7 volts, so it's very low. So this is for the touch screen, I'm guessing. I wonder if that's still okay. Let me see if I've got a spare screen. Hopefully I do. Right, I've got this one, which is cracked, but I don't know whether that was just the touch screen. Can you see that? Don't know. But I'm gonna have a look and we'll find out. Okay. I'm not sure whether this is gonna work, but let's have a look. See, how do we get this out? See, that's a problem when you haven't worked on something for a while. You forget. I don't know whether I need to use heat to get it out. I think I do. Right. Well, I'm just gonna heat it up gently and let's see if it starts to come off. I'm at 200 degrees. While this idiot's probably melting the screen, let's shout out the Holy Hand Grenade patrons. Tidder, Ellis Garbett, Jamrag Berlin, Oz Newton, Wan Jockey, Markovitz 19, 60 Does Stuff, and Weston and Sons. Thank you so much. Yes, it is. There we go. That screen actually looks alright. I think that might be okay. Right, well, let's pop it in and let's see if we can get any life out of this thing. Right, well, I'm not going to put it fully back together for obvious reasons. It might need a charge before I do anything, but we'll see. Right, screen is in. What else do I need to connect? I can't remember. I'll go and get a charger. Okay, there it goes. Everything's falling out. No. I didn't think it would just be as easy as swapping the screen out somehow. It's drawing 0.1. Maybe it does just need a while because that battery is flat. Right, well, I'm going to leave it plugged in for a bit and let's see if anything happens. We're on 0.1 amps, 14.8 volts. Let's see if that jumps up. Right, so it has. It's gone up to 0.63. Nothing on the screen. Maybe the screen I put in is also broken. I don't know, because can't remember the background to that one. No, right, let me try a different screen. Let's try this screen. I think this is off the blue screen of death one. I don't need to take the screen out, do I? Let's just leave the screen in. 0.8. Oh, I think I just saw a backlight then. Did I just see a backlight? Ho 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 ho! I got the power! Right, so that is working, and that is... So that screen's okay. So that screen is obviously broken as well. That one that I just put in. So now I need to take this screen out of this one. God, I'm getting confused now. I've got far too many bits on the go. Right, well, let's take the screen out of this one. And then try and pop it into William's working... No. Yeah, you know what I mean. Wish me luck. Before I get confused, I'm going to take this screen out that wasn't working. There we go. Right, so I think that screen's damaged, which is a shame. Oh, do you know what I've just realised? I didn't plug the backlight in. So even if the other one might have worked, what a buffoon. Let's try it again. Okay, well, let's try that. Oh, okay, so that screen is damaged. After all that. Well, it's on. Right, let's try and take this screen out. Nice. Alright, let's pop it into here. Right, well, let's try it now. Right, here goes. Come on! Nice! Unfortunately, I didn't connect all the things up, so I can't really test it. Right, I think while this is in pieces, I'm going to replace the analog stick here, because it feels a bit... What's the word? Crunchy? And this one's a bit discoloured, so I'm going to pop 2 new ones of these in. I might even replace these buttons. Yeah, I'll probably just clean them. Right, so let's take these out. And then once we've done that, we've just got the fun job of popping it all back together. And that's one for the right analog stick, and one for the left analog stick. Right, now that's done. It's just a simple case of putting all of this in here. Just like this. Nice. Time for everyone's favourite part. The incorrect amount of thermal paste. Beautiful. Alright, let's pop this on. And just the complete wrong amount on here as well. Lovely. Alright, let's pop the back on. And I've only got 1 screw left over. What a result. Let's plug it in, just make sure it actually works. Please, I didn't... Oh my god. I didn't connect the battery. Oh well. Let's take it all apart again. What a muppet. Maybe I'll find out where that other screw goes as well while I'm in it. Now let's try it. Here goes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Right, so I've let it charge up for a bit. Let's see how it's getting on. 50%. Perfect. Let's try a game in it. Nice. Why am I 7th? It's because I'm rubbish. Oh, 2nd. Stupid game. Like the crack of the whip, I snap attack, front to back, in this thing called rap.
Do it like a simple rhyme devil on the heavenly level. Bang the bass, turn up the treble. Radical mind day and night all the time. 714, wide, divine. Maniac, brainiac, winning the game. I'm the lyrical Jesse James.